number 4. So once again, let's start putting the values. Right, so sine 30 degrees 1 by 2, then 45 is 1, then cosec 60. If I know for sine 60, I just have to interchange, right? So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. That means cosec 60 will be 2 by root 3. All right, same thing again. If you look at the denominator here, I have sec 30, but if I know for cos 30, I just have to interchange, right? So cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. That means sec 30 will be 2 by root over 3. So you can already say we have already put. Then cos 60 is half, then cot 45 again. So if I know for sine 10 45 degree, I just have to interchange, right? So 10 45 is 1. So even if I interchange 1, it will still be 1. All right, so that part now putting the values is done. What we'll do next is we'll try to find the LCM. Alright, so for both the upper and the lower numbers, we have to find the LCM. Alright, so let's continue. So remember that 1 is here. So if I try to find the LCM of 2, 1 and root 3, my LCM will be 2 times root over 3. Okay, now like we keep on doing, first put the numerator. So my first numerator is 1, right? So I put here 1. I can see in the denominator 2 is there, right? So right, I'll show you how do we do this. And write down 2 into what should I multiply so that I'll get 2 root over 3. What should I multiply so that I'll get this LCM 2 root over 3. You can see that 2 and 2 already there. What is missing? Root 3, right? So root 3, I need root 3. Alright, that's why you can see that I've written here root 3. Alright, then next the next numerator, my next numerator is 1, right? So you can say I've written here 1. Remember that below here 1 is there, right? So 1 into what should I multiply to get the LCM to root 3, and of course it will be 2 root 3. Alright, so you can see I've written here. Next, my numerator is 2. So I've written 2. If you look at the denominator, 3 is there, right? So root over 3 is there. Then what should I multiply so that I'll get 2 times root over 3. So you can see that root 3 already there. I just need 2. So here 2 is there. Alright, now same thing again with the lower numbers. LCM will be again 2 times root 3. Alright, then now write the numerator. My first numerator is 2, so you can see that I have written here 2, right? Then down here root 3 is there. Then root 3, right? What should I put to get 2 times root 3? I just need 2. That is why you can see I've written 2 here. And my next numerator is 1, so I've written here 1. Then if you look at the denominator, 2 is there, right? Then I'll just show you again. So I have 2. Then what should I multiply so that I'll get the LCM to root 3? So 2 already there. What is missing? Root 3. So I need root 3. So I've written here root 3. Okay, now the next again 1 is there, right? So remember below here 1 is there again. So 1 into what should I multiply to get 2 times root 3? So it will be obviously 2 times root 3, right? So here we have written 2 times root 3. And if you look here, I can divide this and this. Okay, denominator and denominator. So now if I multiply, let me just change my pen. Let's go with red. Now then if I multiply 1 into root 3, I'll get root 3, right? Again 1 into 2 root 3, I'll get 2 times root 3. Then minus is there, 2 2s are, I'll get 4. Right, same thing again, 2 2s are, I'll get 4. And 1 into root 3, I'll get root 3. Then again 1 into 2 root 3, I'll get 2 times root 3. Alright, now if you look here, this 2, okay, if you look at this, I have root 3 plus 2 times root 3. Okay, in addition, like I said, 1 is here, right? That means this becomes now 3. Alright, so 3 times root 3. 2 is here, 1, right? 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'll have 3 times root 3 minus 4. Same thing again, even here, if you look at this 2, okay? Root 3 plus 2 times root 3, right? Here 1 root 3 is there, and here 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 times root 3. Okay, next we will rationalize the denominator. Since it is plus, this 2 will be a minus. Alright, just a repetition. And now if you look at the denominator again, a plus b, a minus b, which means like your previous question, I can convert it in the formula a square minus b square. Alright, and then alright, so I'm just these two I'm just keeping them in bracket. Alright, and now if you look here, like I said, I need a square minus b square, right? My a is 4, so it will be now 4 square. Then this is my b, so b square. Alright, Okay, now that we're done, if you look here, I have here what? 3 times root 3, right? So I'm going to multiply 1 time, 2 time. Okay, same thing with this minus 4. I'll multiply this once and then I'll multiply this again. Clear? So if you look, so I'm just writing it down here so they will understand. Okay, you can see that the first I took 3 root 3 will multiply these two, right? So I've written here, and even this minus 4 will multiply these two. So I'm just writing it down there. Then 4 square is 16. Then what about this one? So we're having 3 root 3 the whole square, which gives me what? 3 square multiplied by root over 3 the whole square. So this square and the root will get cancelled. I'll have here 9, and then here 3, which will give me 27. So 16 minus 27 is there. Alright, so now let's multiply. So I'll multiply 3 root 3 into 4, right? So I'm having 3 root 3 into 4. So like I said, in multiplication, you can multiply root and a number and a number. Okay, here you can see only one root is there, right? But I have two numbers here. So 3 4s are, I'll have here 12 root 3. So you can see here 12 root 3. Again, once again, 3 root 3 multiplied by 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 multiplied by 3 root 3. So if I do this now, you can see that two numbers are outside and then two numbers are inside. Okay, so you can multiply outside. So 3 is a 9, right? Then root 3 into root 3 will give me root over 9. But I know that root 9 is the square root of 3, right? So 3 square. So this square and the root will get cancelled. I'll have here 9 into 3, which will give me 27. Right? So I'm just writing it down here, 9 into 3 for now. Okay, let's do the same thing. This is minus, right? Minus into plus. So I'll have here minus. 4 4s are 16. Same thing, minus into minus. I'll have here plus. Now let's multiply this again. So what am I having? I'm having 4 multiplied by 3 root over 3. Then 4 3s are, I'll get here 12 root 3. Alright, it's here now. Alright, so if you look here, and you can see that this 12 root 3, and again I have one more 12 root 3, both are plus, right? So if I add both of them, so I'll just give us here 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3. So remember, this is addition. Okay, so you just have to multiply this outside numbers. 12 plus 12 is 24, and then root 3. Alright, so after I add, I'm getting this. Then 9 3s are 27. Then again minus 16. So if you subtract these two, 16 minus 27, you'll get minus 11 down here. Alright, so once again, this is, both of them are minus, right? Minus 27 minus 16. So I have to add them. My answer will be minus 43. So the last step, this minus here, I'm taking it up here in the numerator. You can see, right? So remember that this 24 root 3 is plus. So plus into minus, I'll get minus. And again, minus into minus, I'll get plus. Alright, so the last step, I'm just keeping the plus first and the minus second.